There are many circular saw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Makita XSR01Z 36 volts. Rating 4.7. Powered by 2LXT batteries. X2LXT technology delivers more power, speed and runtime without the hassles of a cord. Makita built electronically controlled BL motor. Delivers 5,100 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. X2LXT technology delivers up to 558 crosscuts per charge in 2x4 SPF lumber and up to 291 crosscuts per charge in 2x10 SPF lumber, using two 5.0 Ah batteries not included. Number 4. Skill 15 amp. Rating 4.7. Powerful 15 amp motor delivers 5,300 RPM for greater speed and faster cuts. 714-inch carbide tipped blade included. Spindle lock for easy blade changes. 51 degrees bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees for a wide variety of cuts. Dust blower keeps line of cut free of sawdust for improved visibility. Safety lock guarded trigger and power on indicator. Minimize accidental starts. Number 3. DeWalt circular saw. Rating 4.8. DeWalt 7 1/4 circular saw is among the lightest saws in its class, 8.8 pounds. Electric brake of the corded circular saw stops the blade after trigger is released. 15 amp motor of the compact circular saw delivers power for even the toughest applications. Ball bearing lower guard provides long life in harsh environments. Durable high-grade aluminum smooth base for accurate cuts. Number 2. Skillsaw SPT77 WML. Rating 4.8. Lightest magnesium construction reduces user fatigue for less downtime. Cut-ready depth of cut system helps with quick, accurate depth measurements. 53 degrees bevel allows users to complete a wider variety of cuts. 15 amp of power gives users the power to rip through more lumber in less time. The anti-snag lower guard provides smooth operation for small cut-off pieces. Number 1. Milwaukee. Rating 4.8. Magnesium shoe and guards for maximum durability. Integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. LED light for increased accuracy and visibility. Integrated dust port on guard and included vac adapter. Electric brake for stopping blade after trigger is released. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.